many curlies over 40 notice that their curls are changing? How many curlies over 40 notice that their once thick manes are getting thinner? Time to do something about it, don't you think? Are you ready? Let's do this. Hello, my curlies. Erica here, your curl dresser, and we are doing a hands-on review of the SuperCurl SmartCurl line, and I'm going to try to walk and chew gum at the same time, which means I'm going to try to talk and do my hair at the same time and keep it entertaining. Yeah, it's always a challenge. As a curly since 1966, and as a hairdresser since 1985, and a curl dresser since 2005, I know how important it is to find the right products to get a really great curl day for our maturing curls. When you find those products, it's nirvana, my curlies. You will love it, I promise. A quick overview: they are chemical safe and chemical treatment safe. Their products are very concentrated, they say, so that you don't use as much as with other brands. You know I'm having trouble with this, right? Now, I've used a little and felt like it wasn't enough, and I had to use more. Go figure. This is why every curl is different. Every curly is different. Twins can have totally different curls. Their shampoos and conditioners are not supposed to coat your hair. They say that it can actually clarify other products out. Their recommendation is to do 2 washes with like half the amount that you would use for like 1 full wash. So they say 2 small washes instead of 1 big wash with lots of shampoo. I've done it both ways, and it definitely works better if you use a little bit, emulsify it with some water into the lather, apply it to your scalp, scrub your scalp, rinse, and do it again with another small amount. And you'll find your second lather is going to be much more robust. Their conditioners, they feel lighter than other brands. This is on their website, and it does soak into your hair completely. I've taken to using 6 pumps of the conditioner. 1 pump comes out not very much. So I squeeze out the water, and then I leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes or however long my shower takes me that day. And when I rinse, and they say that there is not a lot to rinse out, they're not kidding. Out of the 6 pumps that go in, I feel like maybe 1 pump comes out. The good thing is that all those vitamins and oils that they use stay behind. They're not going down the drain. I like that. I like when my money isn't going down the drain. I don't know if you can use a little bit of their conditioner as a leave-in. I have an email into the woman who deals with hairdressers. Hopefully I'll get an answer, and I'll have that for you in the next video. All of their shampoos and conditioners are interchangeable. So if you prefer one shampoo to another, you can use the shampoo that you like, and you can use the conditioner that works best for your hair. All of their shampoos and conditioners, and maybe all their products, but don't quote me, they are all free of, are you ready? I'm not. Okay. Ethoxylate, gluten, paraben, panthenol, phthalate, salt, silicone, sodium lauryl sulfate, and synthetic fragrance-free, and it's non-GMO and vegan. Yay! I did it. I did the whole thing. Yes, yay! Now, it turns out that ethoxylate is in a lot of products. I was really surprised because I had never heard of this before. Here you go. I'm going to be using the SmartCurl leave-in conditioner. All of their leave-in conditioners are sprays. There is nothing heavier, which is why I would like to know if we can leave in their either hydrating conditioner or their moisturizing conditioner. It would help. So here are some of the key ingredients that they use in the SmartCurl leave-in conditioner. Now, some of the key benefits are that this hydrates weightlessly, which is good for detangling, for easier styling. It also nourishes and fortifies the curls and strengthens the strands to minimize breakage, smooths your strands and eliminates frizz, adds softness and shine, protects against heat and UV damage, and yes, my curlies, this is CGM approved. Now, personally, I need something heavier than a spray. I really don't feel like this does enough for my hair because it's dry, it's mature. I won't use the A word. And if anyone doesn't know what the A word is, I'll put it down there. It's not a curse. I just don't like the word. Their SmartCurl Hydrating Wash and Conditioner is an award-winning duo that's meant for curly, coarse, dry hair that craves moisture. My hair felt really good when I used the hydrating wash. I was able to get my fingers through it a little bit. Did it feel like silk? No, because our hair never does. It wasn't bad. I did it in the 2 washes, like I said. Now, here are some of the ingredients that they use in the shampoo. So some of the key benefits of the wash is that it gently cleanses without stripping. It infuses nutrients for increased moisture, silkiness, and brilliant shine. It strengthens your strands and protects against breakage and splitting. It hydrates weightlessly. It's ideal for curly, thick, or coarse hair. Sorry, I'm hitting the mic. And it is Curly Girl approved. In fact, their entire curl line, including the WonderBalm, is CGM approved. So you're safe if you like to follow the Curly Girl method. And because you guys know I love when we do challenges, which side looks better, I am going to split it in 2, and we are doing one side with the WonderBalm and one side with the defining cream. Yay. For all my new curlies, I don't like it. I like when my hair goes to the side. But for you, my girls and guys, I do it. Why? Because I like you. Is that from Barney? I don't know. Is that from Barney? Does anyone know? At 58, it's like, why do I know Barney? My kid is going to be 22. We're going to be using the SuperCurl Defining Cream on my left-hand side. This is how it comes out. It's kind of thick. As I've said, I've tried using a little of their product and it doesn't work as well for me. I need more. I've tried it both ways and I know when my hair has had enough. This is what happens as you get more experienced, and it might just be because I'm a curl dresser and I work with so many different hair types. I don't know. It's a gift. So we're applying to the ends to start, and then we'll move our way up. So here are some of the ingredients that make the defining cream very hydrating. Some of the key benefits: that it defines your curls and waves, hydrates while it's strengthening, maximizes your hair health, smooths your strands, and eliminates frizz. Seal your cuticles, you get that extra softness and shine, protecting against heat and UV damage. And as I've said, it is Curly Girl method approved. I've used 2 squirts and I'm thinking I need just a little more. Now, one thing I noticed is that my hair tends to set really quickly with this line. I'm not sure why yet because I haven't gotten any extra training material from them. So I'm hoping to figure out why that is. I didn't have a chance to look and see if aloe is in everything. That's something I should have looked into because that can cause flash drying for some people and it does for me. Now, the SmartCurl Hydrating Conditioner, like I said, I've used 6 pumps, 1 pump rinses out. It's nuts. So some of the ingredients I'll show you here. The key benefits: it strengthens your strands, protects from breakage and splitting, smooths your strands and eliminates frizz, unveils softer, silkier strands and brilliant shine, it's hydrating weightlessly to revive all curl types, reduces fading in color-treated hair, and Curly Girl method approved. It's late. I was a little thirsty. I don't know. Can you see how like weird it is? Look at this. You guys know what my hair looks like when I put product in. This is not it. And it's sticky. I don't understand. If it's supposed to be hydrating, why is it so sticky? I need water and not to drink. Now, if I add water, will it help? No, it really doesn't. That is so weird. Like, isn't that weird? That's weird. I am having a battle with their styling products. Not everything works for everyone, and sometimes you just need to add a different product in order to make that product work better for you. Super quick, please give this video a thumbs up, share me, subscribe, because if you haven't, what are you waiting for? I'm cute. And leave me a comment down below. Could be a thumbs up, could be a heart, could be an actual comment. YouTube likes to see this. This way, it'll grow our community and get more curlies who need help. Now back to the video. Now, when I'm in the shower and I put my conditioner in, I like to clip my hair up and put it under a plastic cap. And the clip that I like to use, it doesn't have to be this brand, but what it does need to have are these teeth. Because when your hair has conditioner in it, it's slippery. And if you don't have the teeth and it's a smooth, big clip, then your hair is going to slip out. I will put links down below to a good jaw clip as well as disposable processing caps. And this way you guys can use it in your own shower. Now we are going to use the WonderBalm. On the right-hand side, they say start with one pump. I got nothing out of one pump, and it started to frizz immediately. I think I need more like one pump per section. These are the things that you learn as you get used to your hair and used to a product. This comes out very thick, but it doesn't make your hair look greasy. That I can tell you. Now, here are some of the ingredients that are in the WonderBalm and the key benefits that you get from it. So it really helps to define your curls without the crunch. I did get a little crunch, but it came out like super easy. This can smooth and straighten hair in half the time when used with hot tools. It adds softness and shine, and it helps to moisturize dry locks. It eliminates frizz and flyaways, protect against heat and UV damage. It is scent-free, and as I mentioned, Curly Girl Method approved. So I've done 3 pumps, and I'm going to do my 4th one for the back. I've done this already. I don't find that I'm using that much less product than I would in another line, but it's all good. It doesn't matter to me, as long as my hair looks good and it does what it's supposed to do. And yes, I am still taking the vitamins and I am still using their serum, but I do still need to buy more. I wish they made it in a slightly larger size. It comes in a 1-ounce bottle. It doesn't last very long. I hope I got it all in the back properly, because you know how I always seem to screw that up. Let's try to get some curl in here. I'm not getting the curl. I'm not getting the height. Because it's starting to dry already. This is weird. All right, do I need some of the leave-in conditioner? Let's see. I'm willing to try anything. Can you wait to see the finished curls? I'm going to be using the Bellissima Dyphon Supreme Diffuser, which is the only bowl diffuser that I actually approve of. I will put the affiliate link down below, and if you use my code, you will get 10% off. It'll all be down in the descriptions with everything else, my girlies. And you are all going to want to stick around till the end to see how I DeCrunchify this hair. And if DeCrunchify is new to you, stick around. You'll see what it's about. It's different looking, don't you think, than when I started? See, I don't feel I get the same curls because it flash dries. I can't even snap. How long did this take? About 13 minutes to blow dry. Let's take a quick look at it and I'll tell you how it feels. On the left side, we had the defining cream. This is supposed to be one of their more hydrating styling products. I'm used to my hair having a hydrated feel to it. Like you could tell that there's hydration in it. The defining cream doesn't give me that feeling, and it's definitely not crunchy. What do we think? The back. This is the side with the WonderBalm. So it definitely feels more hydrated on the WonderBalm side. And now, for the moment you've all been waiting for, it is time to DeCrunchify. DeCrunchify, right there. My word. Yes, scrunch the crunch. I think DeCrunchify is cuter. We are using the standard hair oil. This is how, whoa, one pump comes out and squirts all over the place. Not used to doing it with my hand up. Let's try this again. Well, I show you some of the ingredients that are in the hair oil. We're going to go over the key benefits. The hair oil moisturizes and repairs dry hair, tames frizz and flyaways, adds high shine to dull hair, ultra smoothing without leaving hair greasy. And now we have to do the other side. Protects against heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This also preserves your hair color and prevents fading, and it is created for all hair types. So if you have fine hair, it shouldn't weigh you down too much. I don't feel it's that heavy. So I have it all applied. Now I'm going to flip and fluff. I have volume, at least here. Let's see what it looks like. And what do we think after the oil has been applied? As you can see, I have a lot of products from EVOLVh. There was one product that was still in my bag. It was the Dream Gel. You will see that next week. But full disclosure here, EVOLVh has sent me all of these products for free. I did not have to pay for them. That does not change how I feel about a product, what I'm going to say about a product, or how a product makes my hair feel. I mean, let's face it, everyone's hair is different. So even if I didn't like something specifically, someone else might find it perfect for their hair. Like the defining cream feels a little too dry for me. I prefer the way the WonderBalm feels, even though it's a soft hold and it doesn't have any real hold to it. We'll see how it holds up. I am in their hairdressers program. This is not an affiliate program. This is a program specifically for hairdressers. My professional link that I supply to you is going to take you to Salon Interactive. This is what my salon page looks like. And if you scroll down, you will see the list of products from EVOLVh. Now, Salon Interactive is only for professional hairdressers and professional beauty supply stores. This gives clients of salons better buying power because salons don't have the room to carry everything. But not every client wants what a salon carries. This is a way for hairdressers to make commissions on products that they don't sell in their physical stores. I want to hear from you, my curlies. Let me know down below. Which side looked better? Did they look different? It's free. Next week's video will be on the last of the EVOLVh products, which I've also been playing with, just not as much as the SmartCurl line. Well, my curlies, cheers, and ciao for now. I'm going to be using, now back to our regular. This is a plastic processing cap. Number one, I didn't bring a conditioner down, dumbass. I don't want to do anything to jeopardize my hair. Yeah, fuck it. Nobody sees this. It'll go in an outtake.